Hey there, I'm Alex, and I'm excited to share my story about taking EBT payments at my store. In this video, we'll go over some essential guidelines that I found helpful along the way. If you're a business owner looking to broaden your customer base and increase sales, accepting electronic benefit transfer (EBT) payments is a savvy move. EBT is a government program designed to assist low-income individuals and families, making it a crucial resource for many households. By embracing EBT payments, you can tap into this market and provide a more inclusive shopping experience for your customers. First, understanding EBT payments. Before diving into the process, let's understand what EBT payments are and who qualifies. EBT is a system that enables recipients of government assistance programs, like SNAP and TANF, to access their benefits electronically. These benefits are loaded onto an EBT card, functioning much like a debit card, allowing recipients to purchase eligible items. Second, check eligibility. The first step is to determine if your business qualifies for EBT payments. Depending on your type of business, eligibility criteria may differ by state, so be sure to contact your state's EBT agency to confirm your eligibility. Third, apply for EBT authorization. Once eligible, you'll need to apply for EBT authorization. This usually involves submitting an application to either your state's EBT agency or the USDA's Food and Nutrition Service, including information about your business, such as your tax ID number, business type, and location. Expect a background check as part of the application process. Fourth, obtain the necessary equipment. To accept EBT payments, you'll need the right equipment. You can acquire EBT-compatible POS equipment and payment terminals from authorized vendors. Ensure your equipment is up to date and complies with security requirements. Fifth, staff training. Once your equipment is ready, train your staff on how to process EBT payments. They should be familiar with eligible items and proficient in using the POS system for transactions. Proper training ensures a seamless experience for EBT customers. Sixth, display EBT signs and information. Make it effortless for your customers to identify your EBT acceptance. Display EBT signs and information prominently in your store, especially at checkout counters. Clear signage helps EBT customers feel welcome and informed about their payment options. Seventh, stay compliant. EBT transactions come with strict regulations and compliance requirements. Stay current with these regulations to maintain your EBT authorization. Non-compliance may result in penalties and loss of authorization. Eighth, promote EBT acceptance. To maximize the benefits of EBT payments, promote it as a feature of your business. Mention it on your website, social media profiles, and in your marketing materials. Highlighting your EBT acceptance can attract new customers who rely on these benefits for their everyday purchases. Accepting EBT payments at your business can unlock new opportunities and create a more inclusive shopping environment for your customers. By following these steps and staying compliant, you can successfully integrate EBT payments into your business model and reach a broader and loyal customer base. Embracing EBT payments not only benefits your bottom line but also supports individuals and families in need of essential assistance. Begin your journey to EBT acceptance today and witness your business thrive. Visit goEBT.com for additional information and resources on accepting EBT payments at your business. Don't miss out on this chance to grow your business while making a positive impact in your community. Thank you for watching this video.